Hey guys, Zanetti here with Thailand Gold. I come down to this stream, this waterfall in North Thailand to do a little bit of gold prospecting, and yeah, I'm excited. See the view behind me. So let's go, guys. So I think I'll check out this area first. Just down there, I can see some stones and gravel by the river. So I'm going to check that out. So we're down by the little stream. Very beautiful here. So I'm going to get to work, see if there's any gold here, and I'll get back to you guys again later. So guys, I've just been panning. I did about 4 or 5 pans all the way down there. So I've come up here. I didn't find any gold there. So I've come up to this area to try my luck. But it's not easy. This is Thailand. There's a lot of bees. There's a lot of bees around. A few bees have been following me, and I don't feel totally comfortable with that. You can see there's a bee on my tripod there. And I set up my tripod down there, and there was like 20 bees on there. So I won't set up the camera, I'll just show you what I'm doing. I'm going to do a test pan here. If there's floods recently, there might have been some gold just dropped out this area where the low pressure system around here, or even got stuck in the rocks here. So I'm going to do a couple of pans to test. I just hope these bees leave me alone. Okay guys, so I'm a little bit tired. I've been gold prospecting. I didn't find anything yet. I'm just sitting in the little rest area here. I'm gonna have some food, get some food in my stomach, have a drink of water, and then I'm gonna check further up the hill there, check the stream for a couple more test pans, and that'll be it for the day. I came in the middle of the daytime. Really I should come in the morning, early morning, So next time I'll come when it's cooler in the morning, and yeah, I'll definitely come back here for more, you know, prospecting. So I'll have my food and I'll continue the adventure, and I'll talk to you guys again soon. Okay guys, so I've just been prospecting in a little part of the stream there, and I might have found one tiny little thing. It's probably not gold, but I put it in my little gold vial to inspect at home. It's probably just nothing, but I don't want to risk it, you know. So I'm heading up here now. Let me flip the camera around so you can see. Okay guys, this is the view. There's a path going up here. Check out the amazing trees, the surrounding area. Old trees. There's bees around here too, and the bees are annoying me. So I don't know if you guys in the USA or Canada or Australia, you gold prospectors, I don't know if you have to deal with bees in the forests and the jungles when you're prospecting. I'm gonna go up here a little bit and see what's there. This is real Thailand jungle. Totally surrounded by nature and all the wild creatures that come along with it. This bee has been following me around everywhere. I don't know why, just one bee. So let's continue up this path. Hopefully we reach a part of the creek or the stream where I can do some more test panning for gold. I have to be careful up here because there's no rangers. There's a ranger station down there, but up here there's nobody. It's just me. And check this out, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful Thailand jungle. And yeah, let's see if we can find some gold, guys. Check out what I just discovered. Check out the size of that tree. My God, is that the biggest tree I've ever seen? That is huge. That is huge. I'm not sure if you can see the size of it on camera, but that is a massive, massive tree. I don't know if it fell down naturally or if it's been cut down. It looks like, judging from the top there, I can just see the roots. Maybe during the floods it just somehow fell down naturally. That is a huge tree. The camera doesn't do it justice. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I won't go over there. Not today anyway. But you see the size of these trees that you get in Thailand jungles. Just massive. And the mountains, if I followed, I've never been up there before, but some tourists go up there sometimes, and it goes far, far up. There's waterfalls going all the way up, and the mountains are so high. You can see right up there, so steep, and if you fall that, you're gonna probably reach the top of the mountain, which is very, very, very high. These are ancient trees, very beautiful. So I'm going to find myself a place, maybe just down there, do a couple of test pans, and then I might head home because I'm tired but we'll definitely come up this area for more exploring, more adventure. So I'll get back to you guys again soon. Got my pan over there. So guys, got my stuff here, and I decided to do a bit of test panning here. I might do, seems like there's a low pressure zone over there. I might take a quick test there, just before the waterfall. Maybe some gold drops out, get stuck behind the rocks there, so I might test there. I'm not sure about the gravel beds. You know guys, it's a new hobby for me, so I'm not an expert at reading where the gold might be hiding, but I learned from experience. So, and I'll probably do a test there, the gravel there on the inside bend. So I'm gonna get to work. Okay guys, so I'm heading home now. It's been a lot of fun, but I'm tired, I'm hungry, and the sky has gone a little bit darker, so I felt a couple of drops of rain. I really don't want to get caught out here in a storm. The storms in Thailand are quite vicious, and I don't want to get caught out in the jungle all alone. So I'm heading back down to the parking area, pack up my stuff, and I'll head out. Okay guys, so I came out of the jungle, just walking down the path down to the rest area and then the car park over there, and this is what I found. The one thing that I found that looked like it possibly could be gold, but I know there's like a 99.9% chance that it's not gold. It's just probably a rock, like a bronze colored rock. I tried to break it, I couldn't break it. But yeah, I just want to show you guys. I wanted to put it somewhere safe. Some of you watching this are going to say, you're crazy, that's just a rock, it's nothing. But you know, I don't want to take any risk. This is the first thing that I found, you know, worth taking home to investigate, because I don't want to risk losing it in the gold pan or on the stream. So yeah, I'll check it out when I get home. I'm not expecting much. I know it's probably just a rock, but yeah, I'll wait till I get home and I'll check it out. Okay guys, so I'm back at my home. I got back just in time. It started raining, and I checked that little piece of stuff that I thought it could have been gold in the little gold vial. But I checked it and it's not gold. It's just a piece of rock. So that's disappointing. No luck today finding gold in the mountains of North Thailand, but I won't give up. That was just the first day checking those waterfalls and the streams. So I'll be going back there again. Maybe once a week I'll go up there, do a bit of prospecting, because you can never be too sure if there's going to be gold there or not. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon.